Cyberbullying and mental health. Last couple of topics here. Research seems to suggest that social media use and mental health are correlated. What recommendations do you have to help teens and parents maintain good mental health when using so much social media?
Yeah, I would say it's time constraints on social media, making sure that social media and digital devices in itself are used safe and appropriately and not to an excessive amount. So limiting the time that they have on there. Again, like I said earlier, it's okay to not have your phone. It's okay to let your brain kind of just run on its own like it used to back in the day. That's awesome. It's totally okay with that. And if you're heavily focused on the online world, that's fine. Make sure you're focusing on good things like family search or something of that nature. There's a lot of positives that could be beneficial to your mental health that you can do online together as a family, making activities together, stuff like that.
Great. What about cyberbullying? That also can be a problem. Any ways to avoid that or how to handle it when it's coming at you?
Yeah, so avoiding it's kind of just, you never know where it's going to come out. It come out of the blue. A chat room that you're in playing a game, social media, whatever it may be. The applications all have reporting standards. You can report bullying and harassment. You can block accounts, especially accounts that you don't know. If they're not people that you've ever met in life, just block them. It's okay to block that account. You have no reason to keep inputting that bad feedback. Block it. It's okay. Every application has a reporting way of reporting to have that account blocked, closed down, whatever. Do it. There's no need for you to keep taking in that bad input.
Last thought here, the parent-child relationship. What are your thoughts on how healthy relationships between parents and their children can impact the child's safety online?
Yeah, I would say for me that comes down to being very open and honest about expectations of our online behaviors. What do we expect to get out of being online? Is it beneficial to us individually? Is it beneficial to us as a family unit? Is it beneficial to our Heavenly Father's plan of building the kingdom of Zion, right? All those things need to be talked about. Having that conversation, and then on top of that conversation, when you let your kids go online and do things or give them devices, let them know what to expect. Hey, you're probably going to see some pornography on accident. You might not be searching it out, but you might see something on accident. If you see it on accident, come tell me. And that way I know, like, hey, we probably shouldn't have you do YouTube shorts or whatever it may be. Have that conversation. Be very open about it. People are going to be kind of mean to you. If they're mean to you or bullying you, this is how you report them. Let your child know what to expect. Don't let them stumble, right? Like, online, we're going to have the training wheels on for a while before you take them off and let them be free. And that's kind of when they turn to an adult. But as a parent, prepare them. Prepare them adequately. And if you don't know how to prepare them, come meet with us. We'll do seminars. We go out and teach, kind of like one we're going to be doing later this week, where we're going to be talking about what they can expect, and that we're here to learn together, and it's always changing every week, and that's what we look forward to being able to help out with, is learning together.
Yeah, you bring up a great point that I hadn't really thought about, the training wheels thing, where to get a license to drive a car, there's a class, there's a test, there's a training, there's a period in which you're shadowing, right, the person who's about to get their license, and there's a time period, and there's an age of a level of maturity, rather. But when it comes to smartphones and the digital world,
it's often how fast you can take it out of the box.
Right, it's how fast you can take it out of the box, and sometimes as parents, we're just not as hands-on as we need.
Yeah.
And so thank you for all you do to keep our children safe and for educating us as a community on how to do that even better. Appreciate your time.
Yeah, thanks. Love to do it.
Thank you.